Okay, we're looking at a 65 Mustang Convertible. Actually, this is my car, and I am in the process of replacing the floor pan, which is all done, and we have now started putting frame connectors on, which connects this part of the frame, which stops right here, and the other part of the frame here. So you can see how we brought the frame connector back through here. And then these pans right here are unique to the convertible, that they brace up this floor. This has kind of got a double rocker on it. And so these floor pans, well, actually they're not unique, but they are right here, and we have cut through them and made room for our connector so it looks like it's just actually made to go right where it is. So we're putting those on both sides, down there and here. And then the other thing that we're doing, which I like to do, is go back over all the welds on this so that we're sure this body is really put together right. This is called a pinch weld right here, and you can see where they pinched a couple pieces of metal together, and then they used the spot welding machine at the factory. But this started to separate, so I like to come back through here and just put some stringers or some weld just to give this a little more strength. So what he's been doing this morning is holding this dolly up like this on the flat side of that, and then pounding down to get this back together because it had somewhat separated. So we're doing that, and then a lot of the other things where we've got weld, we come back through here and weld it all up, or at least he will, I won't, but it'll all be really tight and put together well, so there's no problem with this body being in really good shape and welded together properly. So we've done tubs in the back, which means is the inner fender wells. Got it on the rotisserie so it's on its side. We've also, as you can see, we've put a new panel in the firewall, and you can see that the inner fenders are missing, so we're going to put them in. But we flattened out this firewall so it'll look really nice with that new 302 engine that we're getting ready to put in there. So just an update on this car. We've done this before. My grandkids were really enthralled to see a car sitting in kind of a funny position like this. So this is a rotisserie, so you can spin this car around and work on the side or flip it down and work on the top. I'm Barry Wilson at Wilson Auto Repair. I'll go to my website, wilsonauto.com. Maybe there'll be something there that can help you. Also, the YouTube site, please subscribe.